Mm. Hey there, Twisted Sage here. A glorious Sagittarius sun coming in at 8 degrees. And the moon, well, she's 18 degrees Libra. Sitting on my Mars. I decided to come be still in nature this morning. Once again, well, notice what you notice. Bluebird skies. They're just this correlation of it. It's like they, evil they, controlling they, decided to stop spraying the skies with chemtrails. And it seems like ever since the sun entered into Sagittarius. We just need to be in nature. Nature and beings that don't want you as their slaves. Because as I tune into nature, there's not really, in this moment, I'm not like, hey, I want to be here. Or, hey, I need to do this. Hey, this needs to be paid. Oh, we're lost. And the sun is bright. Definitely get all you can out of this hopeful, sad season. Because winter is coming. I don't think, let's see. Aside from the moon, okay, we'll get a little bit of push of fire. So after the sun leaves Sag, I think Mars will be entering Sag. So that might actually keep our spirits up a little bit. February 20th, March. So the big, after the turn of the year, the big events will be America's Pluto return, which affects the whole world, and in general, it's restrictive Capricorn energy. The old ways falling apart. It's definitely going to deal with finances. Oh, the nodes switching. Node switching and Jupiter switching sectors of the sky will be some of the first. So that's kind of at the beginning of the year. So we definitely have new flavors coming in. I suspect that long distance travels will be a theme that starts to clear up, that we won't be so told we can't go here or there. People diving into addictions to escape reality with all the extra Pisces going on. So I guess maybe we'll be all right a little bit with that fire element, because Jupiter will be putting his tip into Aries. um, I'll have to research a little deeper on that one. All right, I guess get out into some nature if you're having troubled times. There is a lot of uncertainty to where it's all headed. But not to fear, because nothing ends. We're just amidst the storm. Start that out.